Metrolink.
Insurrection at the Capitol has been convicted of storming the U.S. Capitol with a holstered handgun. And the LA City Council has unanimously approved a resolution to strongly condemn the actions of Russian President Putin for ordering the invasion of Ukraine. That includes a call for international or federal divestment of all holdings from and investments in Russia. We'll take a look at the 5 right after this.
All right, if you're busy, you have a lot of stuff to do, the last thing you want is waste time trying to keep your water purified. But we have a life source water system in our house. We had it installed 2 years ago. Ever since.
Metrolink 704 to Perris-South.
There's actually no maintenance
South
required.
Perris.
And what you get is fresh, clean, delicious water. Every drop tastes great. Reduces the harsh chemicals. Keeps the healthy minerals. Get a softer skin, more vibrant hair. As you are showering, bathing without the drying effects of chlorine. There is no maintenance, no filter changes, no salt, none of that, no extra costs. And then you get fresh, filtered water from every tap and faucet. LifeSource Water Systems has an exclusive offer for new customers. Receive a free AquaPure, their antibacterial filter, with qualifying purchase. The offer is valued at over $800, and you can get it free. This offer ends March 31st, so you better call today. Call 800-334-5009, 800-334-5009.